Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing the collaboration between Makartt and BabygirlNails, the Your Nail Lab box. The amount of stuff that you get in this box is really a lot of fun. You get some black rhinestones, you get red rhinestones, you get some pearls, you get two polygel colors, one in red and one in black. You get some nail polish and of course some full cover stiletto tips, and you get these really pretty rhinestones also. So for this set, I'm using some stiletto duoforms, which are also from Makartt, and this color here is the Steller Red. It's absolutely gorgeous and it's perfect for Christmas. When using polygel, you want to make sure that you have a slip solution. You can use the base coat that comes in the kits typically, or you can use 91% rubbing alcohol or 70% alcohol. I find when I place the duoform just above the cuticle area, I don't take it all the way down. I can fix it up later after I file it and add a bead to make it more flush to the nail. Once you place the duoform on your finger, be sure to turn it over and smooth out the bottom so it's not spilling out over your free edge. And then you're going to want to straighten it out as much as possible and then cure it in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. The duoform will then just pop right off. Taking the cosmic black that comes in this set is so gorgeous. It has like, I don't know, it just reminds me of like Milky Way colors. It's so pretty. I'm going to be repeating these steps for the other two nails and I'll be back. Once I'm happy with how that looks, I'm now going to trim them down, file them up, and then I'm going to be using my e-file to clean up the cuticle area. And then we're going to add another bead to the cuticle area to really smooth it out and make it look more flush.
Ho, ho, ho!
Once you've cured everything in the lamp for a full 60 seconds, take some rubbing alcohol and clean up the sticky layer that's on top. Underneath also, I'm going to take some of this structure gel and just build up the nail a little bit more and encapsulate all the glitter. After you have filed, shaped, and buffed, I'm now moving on to nail art, and for my index finger, I'm going to be doing a Christmas tree. This is going to be like a side profile of a Christmas tree. Taking some of this beautiful glitter from Glitter Bells, I'm just going to sugar that over top of the top coat that we used. And then cure that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds, wipe away any excess, and now I'm going to be using some of those red rhinestones and placing those on the tree as ornaments. For my ring finger, I thought it'd be really cute to do a wine glass. So I'm going to be putting on some rhinestones and then using the red rhinestones as my wine. Taking some of those black rhinestones, I'm going to be placing those on my middle finger and creating a fun little design using those. For my pinky and thumb, I'm going to be taking some top coat and just outlining the whole nail, the tip, the cuticle area, and along the sides. Going back in with that green glitter, and I'm just going to sugar over top of that and cure it in the lamp for a full 60 seconds.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirit bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I do the same thing on my right hand, but for my ring finger here, I wanted to create like a 3D ornament. I thought that would be really cute. So I'm taking some top coat and I'm just dabbing it on the center of the nail to create a bubble. Then I'm going to put in some of this glitter that comes in the November Your Nail Lab box. Throwing that in there, and gotta be careful. You don't want it to be too much top coat on there because it would, oh my gosh, I forgot I did that. Just pour that right back in. But you don't want to make sure that there's a lot of top coat there, only because if you do throw the glitter in there, it'll just kind of break the bubble and go everywhere all over your nail. So you got to be careful with that. I think if I used like a thicker coat of something, like maybe builder gel or even like, I mean, polygel would have been fine, but I wanted to really give it that clear, glassy look. So now I'm just taking some art gel and I'm just creating like a little bow and gonna give it some little bow tails and cure it in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. I put green glitter on the other nails and now I'm just throwing on some cuticle oil and rubbing that in. This is the finished look. I love the way that these came out. I think if I did the Christmas tree again, I'd probably just do like a full Christmas tree and not like a side one. I don't know. I wasn't too happy with the way that one came out, but I really love the way the rest of the nails came out. The ornament is really pretty. Everything just kind of glows and sparkles, and it's just turned out to be a really great box. Jamie did a great job, and if you haven't picked up your Nail Lab box yet for November, you have until November 30th to do so. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these nails, and if you're excited for the holidays and all the holiday designs to come. I really appreciate you all being here and watching, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!